What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So I just discovered this amazing tool that was built by a developer in the world, and it is a gem to say the least. And so this is called AlternativeOSS. And so this web app is going to let you find the best open source alternatives to proprietary software. So find the best open source alternatives to popular and SaaS tools, explore 500 plus free community-driven software alternatives. So in the world right now, we have so many softwares which are blocked by different subscription models and payment models, and so it's really sometimes difficult when you're working with such softwares and you always have to pay monthly subscriptions and all. So this website focuses on finding the open source alternatives to all those softwares. And so right off the bat, you are presented with a list of different softwares that you can see exist already. You have some open source versions and the proprietary softwares as well. And so you have a range from web applications to software applications and many more. And so all you need to do, for example, if you see maybe Cursor, which is very popular, you can just click here on it and you'll be presented with a short description of what it is and presented a curated list of the top alternatives which are open source. So here you have some open source alternatives to Cursor. For example, you can see Ada, you can see Continue, you can see Tabby, and many others as well. And so here you are presented with a little description of them. You can see the number of stars they have on GitHub, and so you can see a little description. Ada is an AI-powered command line coding assistant that enables developers to collaborate with AI to edit code to their local Git repositories. So yeah, you can find the alternatives to those. And so, for example, if you come browse by category, you can see here Superbase and others as well. OpenPanel, Trench, AppWrites, Better, DeepSeek, and so on and so forth. And so with that, you can easily look for the tool you are looking, and you can see the alternatives to those. So I'm trying to find something here. Maybe I should search for it. Let's say Office, Microsoft Office. Unfortunately, that is not listed. What else? What is another proprietary software that you can be interested in finding? Looking through their list, they don't really have a lot of data in there, but the idea is interesting. The idea is kind of interesting. For example, GitLab. I think GitLab is already open source software. So yeah. So alternatives, Cursor, Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, Cloud, Notion. So Windsurf, yeah. So far, I see they don't have a huge database of information just yet. But I think the idea is really interesting. Firebase, Shopify. What's an alternative to Shopify? WooCommerce, PrestaShop, and so on. Yeah. So I guess they are still putting in information into the website. This built by an indie developer. So it's taking time to add a lot of information in there. But I definitely appreciate the idea to have a website that proposes to you directly the open source alternatives. And so hopefully you can upload much more information on there, and so that we can see easily those alternatives. So there you have it. You can check it out at AlternativeOSS.com to see if you can find the open source alternatives to your tool. So for example, Bandicam, Screenity, and Cap, and many others as well. So Amazon, yeah. So the idea is very interesting. Hopefully it goes in the right direction and we can get the results that we expect. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.